if we have another look at our workflow, you want to know how the strategy and how your plans will finally affect your economic position in your company. And therefore, we are going to have a look at the probably most important tools of a controller. At first, at the balance sheet, how this could look like. This is a visualization of the cash flow with a budget, with a forecast, and deviation analysis. A profit and loss statement could look like this in your company, where we have actual against the budget. You get the variance and the delta information in one dashboard. And this is one example, which is probably the dream of each controller here, that you have the profit and loss statement, the cash flow, and the balance sheet in one good overview in one dashboard. You can now here see also the delta between your scenarios, the deviation of your scenarios. You can compare certain budgets and forecasts against each other and see the development over a few years. Yes, I hope you like this little demo and you like the short presentation of Power BI by smartpm Solutions. And I hope you got an idea how you could improve your company with such an BI tool that can connect all of your business divisions. I think it makes totally sense to have a tool that gives you a single point of truth. It makes planning much easier and has a lot of other advantages. Let us know, give us feedback. We will looking forward to you. Goodbye.